Tirado, West New York chiropractor. We're at home here, and I'm here with my son, Blade, and he's having some hip pain. I haven't adjusted him in a little while, and he's getting ready to go to college pretty soon. And right now he's training for cross country, and probably does about maybe a good 40 miles a week. And so there's a lot of wear and tear on his body. So we're going to do some stretching on him, and we're going to adjust him also. So let's start off by just adjusting him first. So let me come and lay face down.
All right.
Okay, just relax a bit. So it's about how many degrees? About 85 degrees out here. Right? It's going to first start sort of just doing a little stretching inside his legs. Right, just going to let it just drop down to the side. This will stretch out his lumbar spine. Ooh. You stretch out the opposite side. That'll open up the hip joints a little bit. Right. Also loosen up his lumbar spine. Okay, come right down here. Just going to push on his sacrum a little bit. Right. If I push on his sacrum, it also helps increase a little bit of cerebral spinal fluid going up inside his spine. Also stretches out that lumbar spine. A lot of cross-country runners get a lot of lower back pain just because of the constant pounding and the pounding and the pounding inside the of the foot striking the street. Right? Sends shock going all the way up the legs inside here, all the way into that lumbar spine. Right? And some cross-country runners also get a lot of sciatica. Right? So one of the best things that they can do is actually get themselves adjusted in their lumbar spine on a regular basis. So let's start off by just adjusting his lumbar spine. Come on your side, just face me here, bud. Cool. Just gonna turn him a little bit. There we go. Probably see a little sweat on the table because it's warm out here. It's absolutely beautiful out here. Okay, so I'm gonna bring him a little closer. Yeah. And relax here. Good. Come right inside that L3, L4 area. Relax there. Good. Excellent. Let me come on the other side. Okay. Just like that. Good. Hit that SI joint. It already released it. Just relax. There we go. Good. Come and lay face down again. Good. Great. Okay, just want you to breathe in real deep. All the way out. Okay. Good. In real deep again. All the way out. One last time, in real deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Good. And just relax. Go right at the top of the table. All right, so I'm just going to stretch out the SI joints a little bit. It's a little bit of stress on his knee, but his knee's okay. I'm just going to relax. Just going to stretch it up like that. Just for that quad area. Good. Woo! Getting a little hot out here. Getting a little hot out here. Right? There we go. A little tighter on this side. Right? Yeah, a little tighter on that side. Good. So, really important to stretch out. For most long distance runners, they have tight hips. So it's really important to stretch out the hip joints inside long distance runners. You know? Good. Good. Lay down right on your back, face up.
Yeah, I'm sweating.
What's that?
I'm sweating.
Yeah, a little sweat going. That's good. And just relax here. I'm going to adjust those hip joints and the ankle joint. Right inside here. Let it go. There we go. Good, good. And I'm going to adjust the hip joint a little bit. Let it go. Okay. Same thing on this ankle joint. Right there. Good. And now the hip joint. Let it go. Good. You're sliding this whole table. Awesome. All right. Just relax here. Okay. Hands right there. All right. So I'm going to stretch out the hip joints now. A little bit more. Going to stretch the hamstring and the hip flexor on the opposite side. So I'm just going to take my leg, hold down that hip flexor, stretch out the hamstring. So this stretches out the hamstring and the hip flexor on the other side. It's a real deep stretch. It's a powerful stretch. Even hurts a little bit. It's a great, great stretch for cross-country runners. And then if I want, I can dorsiflex the foot and stretch out the calf muscle also. Really powerful stretch. Morty, so powerful that I'm sweating even more. I'm dripping on him a little bit. All right, we're going to do the other side. You want the other side?
90.
Here we go. So we're going to stretch out the other side. Just like that. Woo! Get a little hot.
Yeah.
All right. All right, point your toe to your chin. Get that calf muscle. Nice. Good. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Let's take a look at that neck area. All right. See how we're doing here. Ooh, this table's hot. This table's hot. It's like 100 degrees, this table. Oh my goodness. All right. This for all you crack addicts out there, crack-a-maniacs, right? Maybe you guys have seen me adjust my son before, maybe you haven't, but I try to adjust him as often as possible. I find when I don't adjust him, he usually comes back to me and tells me that his joints are hurting. But when I do adjust him on a regular basis, he usually feels pretty good and can perform at a higher level. Is that true? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. He finished up his high school career pretty much injury-free. And that's because I usually tried to adjust him every single week, sometimes even a few times during the week. But where other athletes had a lot of injuries and were out for a week, weeks at a time, he was able to stay pretty much healthy the entire time. Cool. So why don't you come on this side? No. Come right on this side. We're going to adjust him right inside here. Okay. So just relax that muscle right inside there. Just going to stretch here. Let it go. A little bit more. Let it go. Excellent. Excellent. How'd that feel? Good?
Great.
Good. Let's go on the other side. Okay. No headrest paper here in the Tirado family household. All right. Good. Come right inside here. Now we're going to try to get a nice big adjustment right inside here. Relax just a bit. A little bit more. Good. Breathing really deep. All the way out. Excellent. Good. Let's come and sit up for a minute. Bring your legs on this side. And come over here. This time I'm going to adjust his shoulders. You guys like my hat? This is my summer hat. All right, this is my stand-up paddleboarding hat. Okay, we're going to get these shoulders adjusted. Right, because when you run, the looser your shoulders can be, the faster you can move your arms. Right? Ooh. There we go. Just going to come right inside here. Relax inside here. Good. Just like that. Okay, want to check the other side? Good stretching here. Come
We
right
just got
inside
some
here.
sun relief.
Yeah. All right. And just relax inside here. A little bit more. Good. Good. Get your fingers. Okay. Inside here. Just relax the elbow a little bit more. Good. Wrist. Good. So we get everything adjusted inside here. Right? Get the elbows, the shoulders, the fingers, the entire kinetic chain. And get the other side. Go on this side. Okay. Relax a little bit. Good. Your wrist. Relax your arm. Good. Fingers, each one. Just like that. And that's it. That's it. Want to tell the people out there anything? All those crackomaniacs?
Felt great. Loose.
Now he's loose. Now we can go back home. Now we can go back and go take another nap.
Yeah.
Right? That's what 18-year-old kids do. Right? Anyway, this is Dr. Jason Tirado, West Indian Chiropractor. Remember, get out there. Go get adjusted. See you soon.